Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to subscribe to a Google One plan on iPhone. Upgrading to a Google One plan gives you more cloud storage for the photos, video files and backup. On iPhone, subscribing is straightforward and uses your Apple billing system, so payments are secure and easy to manage. Once subscribed, your storage increases instantly across all of the services from Google like Gmail, Drive and Photos. First, launch your Google app on your phone iPhone and simply make sure to sign in with a Google account if you already have not so. Under this interface on the bottom we can find there's an option for the upgrade there. Tap on the upgrade and this will open all of the available plans. Here you can simply choose a plan for your monthly or annually as well and select which you want and simply select to this get discount after that, and after that you can proceed to your selected plan and you can subscribe it, and you can also confirm your payment using a Face ID or Apple ID. Payment is proceed via App Store only, and after that your storage updates instantly. You can start using extra space now. And that is it. Subscribing to a Google One plan on iPhone is quick, just and confirm with a Face ID. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.